Hi everyone, so today in this video I'll be showing you some very quick details on my brand new bag. It's the Balenciaga Gossip Wallet on Chain bag in the color Jade Green, and it's croc embossed. So I did just unbox this in the car when I picked it up because I was too excited, but let's look at it together in better detail. So first off, this color is absolutely gorgeous. It's like a blue toned green. It looks a little bit different on camera than how it looks like in real life, but it's very beautiful. Here's the bottom and the sides. This leather is calfskin on the outside and nap leather on the inside. It comes with a crossbody chain, and the chain is detachable. Something to note about this bag though is that the actual chain doesn't come with a clip on it, so how you would get it off is you need to slide it out from this metal piece right here. I love the logo on the outside. It's actually a gorgeous antique silver. Let's look at some of the details inside. You have your 4 credit card slots here, billfold compartment. You have an extra zip pocket. Wow, that leather is really soft. I'll show you the back. There is a back slip pocket here, so let me see if this could actually fit my phone. Okay, so I'm back with my phone, and this is the iPhone XR. Okay, so that's very difficult to slide in. I don't think that's gonna work. You can try it without the case, because my case is a little bit puffy. Okay, so this is the iPhone without the case on. Let's try that. Alright, so that does go in. Although initially it's a little bit of a stretch. I think over time, as the leather softens a little bit from use, I think this would be absolutely fine. So if you're that kind of person that's willing to risk it all and go commando with your cell phone and not have a case on it, then that works. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna try to give a realistic overview of what fits inside the Balenciaga Gossip Wallet bag. And I actually haven't removed this stuff yet, so let me go ahead and take that out. And what I love about the bag is the interior compartments, such as having the 4 credit card slots here, then you have a slot for bills, and you have a front zipper compartment. Okay, so first things first, my 6 key holder in epi leather from Louis Vuitton. Carry that with me everywhere. So that fits in comfortably. Then we have mints for a night out. Okay, so if I put the mints in, oh, actually, you know what, that could be okay. All right, so we'll leave that there for now, although like it is kind of sticking up a little bit. Then we have my Dior lip maximizer. So I can't fit that in vertically, but I could probably fit it in horizontal. Okay, that's a bit of a tight squeeze. Oh wait, no it's not. It's fine. Next, my AirPods. I need these. Never leave without them. We have a little hand sanitizer and a mini perfume. Okay, so that was super easy. Now let's see if it closes. So it does close, but I didn't really hear a click to that. Okay. There's a side view. You can see there's a little bit of a clearance here. There's a bit of a gap. So if you have items that are a little bit taller than this part of the leather, you're actually okay to fit them in. Something that's a little bit odd though is that the magnetic closure is not very strong. It seems like it'll just pop open. Like I used no force in getting it open, so that's a little weird. This magnetic closure is bothering me a little bit. If you guys have this bag, Let me know if it's supposed to be like this, because look, I did nothing and it just pops open. If I'm out for a night, I want to just have a sturdy closure to quickly secure my bag. Like, I should be able to close it. I actually do think I'm gonna be exchanging this bag. You can see on camera that, I mean, it appears to be closed, but like, it just doesn't feel closed. I still love this color. I think it's absolutely beautiful. And if it wasn't for the weakness of the magnetic closure, I would definitely keep it. But I wanted to make this video for you guys because I've barely seen any reviews on this bag and it's so beautiful. So I hope that was helpful for you. I'll keep you guys updated with the next one that I purchase. I don't know if I'm going to exchange it for this same color or if I'm gonna go for the silver one. I guess we'll see.